Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Scholar. In this video, we are going to discuss about Village Defense Guard scheme. So we'll talk about why, we'll see the background, we'll see the aim, and we'll see like why it has been implemented. So Jammu and Kashmir government has accorded sanction to the creation of Village Defense Guards scheme VDGS 2022. Why? To prevent the incidents of terrorist acts inspired and supported from across the borders and to boost the security grid in the Union Territory. The scheme has come into operation with effect from August 15, 2022 and will have prospective effects. The main purpose of this scheme is to stop terrorist activity in Jammu and Kashmir with the help of local civilians. So, why we are studying? Like we have seen frequent attacks. Now, the civilians of Jammu and Kashmir premises are like Union Territory are being frequently attacked, and they're openly attacked. So we can see that there is a need for the safety, there is a need to increase the safety, there is a need to implement new policies and new schemes to ensure the safety of the people living in Jammu and Kashmir area. So that is why this village defense guard scheme has been implemented. If you want to if you want to have an insight about this kind of situation, you can watch Kashmir Files, you can watch Shikara movie also. So these both movie will give you some insight about the problems happening, problems prevailing since a lot of years in Jammu and Kashmir. So now we'll talk about the aim of what is the aim of village defense guard scheme. The aim of this scheme is to organize a small group of volunteer armed civilians in identified villages along the borders as well as in depth area of Jammu division. It aims to instill sense of self protection and ensure the safety and security of such villages, infrastructural installation in and around them, and to check the trans border movement. So all these things they will do. Under this scheme, the village defense guards would be charged with the responsibility of protecting the community installations and infrastructure facilities within the defined area of their villages, and these guards would conduct night and day patrolling in a systematic manner. Now just we'll have the background of the scheme. The village defense groups were constituted as per the government order number home 293 of 1995 dated September 30, 1995. Some villages were identified as vulnerable, and these defense groups ensured the safety and security of the identified vulnerable villages and helped the security forces in safeguarding the internal security. So, what was the need of this new scheme? Keeping in the view the security scenario prevailing in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, more specifically in the areas where earlier scheme was in operation, a need was felt to revise the existing scheme with the view to prevent the incidences of terrorist acts inspired and supported across the borders and to boost the security grid in the Union Territory. Under the revised scheme, the areas or villages where the early scheme was in operation will be considered as more vulnerable areas for the purpose of the scheme, and the arrangement made pursuant to the earlier scheme will now be governed by the instant scheme. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and share this video as much as you can. Kindly join our Telegram channel for the latest job vacancy updates and more interesting current affairs and other important study material PDFs on our channel. So take care everyone.